It is not okay to run a 10-inch polyvinyl chloride pipe from one building to another and then run water pipes and separate branch circuits for lighting and receptacles through it. There are several electrical and plumbing concerns to consider. Firstly, running electrical circuits through polyvinyl chloride pipes is a violation of electrical codes in most jurisdictions. Polyvinyl chloride pipes are not intended for electrical use and cannot provide proper electrical insulation. Secondly, electrical wires can overheat and cause fires if they are confined in an enclosed space like a polyvinyl chloride pipe. Thirdly, polyvinyl chloride pipes do not allow for proper ventilation around electrical wires, which can lead to overheating and premature failure. Now considering plumbing concerns, water pipes installed in an uninsulated polyvinyl chloride pipe outdoors are susceptible to freezing in cold weather, which can burst the pipes and cause significant damage. Polyvinyl chloride pipes are not approved for potable water distribution and can leach chemicals into the water. If the water pipes are not properly sloped and drained, they can retain moisture and create a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. For proper installation for electrical circuits, use approved electrical conduit and wire insulation. For water pipes, use approved water supply pipes and insulation. The pipe should be supported and protected from damage.